Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Mom and Sir. My name is Risinit Janga. I am 32 years old. I have one kid. He is 11-year-old boy. My education is high school graduate.
Do you have a live-in partner?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how many brother and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers and two sisters, and I am the third of the family.
Do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
My working experience in the Philippines from 2018 to 2024, my job duties is to take care of children, ages 1-year-old girl and 5-year-old boy.
Only one employer, right?
Yes, sir.
You do all the household chores like cleaning, cooking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If ever your employer in your house, you do want a car washing, are you willing?
Yes, sir.
So if ever there's a newborn baby, what will you do if the baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, I will first check the diaper. If it is sweet, I'll change it. If he or she never stop crying, I will sing a song or feed a milk, and lastly, I will check the temperature.
Okay. Do you know how to taking care a bath of the baby?
Yes, sir.
What will you do or what do you need to prepare?
I will prepare lukewarm water, soap, towel, and I will take care of her nose, eyes, and mouth to spill with the water.
Okay. So if ever the children or baby is naughty, what will you do?
I will encourage them by playing or sing a song for them.
Do you know how to read a book stories for them?
Yes, sir.
And then do you know how to sing a baby song for them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you sing now?
Row, row your boat gently down the stream, merrily, merrily.
Okay, thank you. So do you have a long patience for the children or baby is naughty?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, sir.
So this is your first time to go abroad?
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to come to abroad?
Because I want to earn money and to support my family financially.
Who will take care of your kid when you work there?
Only my husband to take care of my children.
Okay, if ever you feel homesick, what will you do?
To avoid homesick, I will focus my work and I will treat my employer as my family and have to tell myself that my children need money.
Okay, do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Only Filipino food that I can cook, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Okay. So if ever you work, your employer have an elderly, so are you willing to work with having an elderly in your employer house?
Yes, sir.
In your previous employer, are you the only maid in the house?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if ever there is a dog or cats in your employer house, are you willing?
Yes, sir.
Do you love dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you have any allergy of food?
No, sir.
So you eat everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if ever your employer wants you to do the marketing, so are you willing to do the marketing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, sir.
Can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me as a helper. I am honest, cheerful, and helpful person. I can work under pressure, and I'm willing to learn. And follow my employer instruction. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract as long as my employers need me.
Okay. Thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank